Having a great organic lawn does not require that you lavish it with lots of water and chemicals. In fact, when you focus on building the health of your lawn and soil naturally, the proactive steps that you take along the way will make it more drought tolerant and vigorous without the use of synthetic chemicals. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 5 key steps that you need to take for renovating and maintaining a great looking organic lawn. Perhaps one of the most important steps in the entire process is the easiest to do, and yet it's a step that's often skipped. But it shouldn't be. A soil test that you can get through your local county extension service is like a recipe card for an amazing lawn. The most common readings noted on the report include your soil's pH, along with nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium levels. All these aspects are important to flourishing lawn growth, and the report will let you know what is needed to improve your lawn specifically. Simply follow their instructions and you're well on your way. So let's talk renovation versus replacement. Renovation works best if your lawn is still at least 50% grass versus weeds, and if so, renovation is definitely worth the effort. To begin, rake the lawn area firmly to remove excess debris known as thatch. Thatch is the buildup above the soil of grass stems, runners, and roots, and thatch encumbers the health of your lawn. By clearing away the thatch and dead debris, more light, air, and water can reach your lawn to encourage new growth. Now it's time to aerate the lawn. An aerator is a machine you can rent that will extract cores of soil from the ground to improve lawn drainage and decrease soil compaction. The open space also allows more oxygen to reach lawn roots, improves root expansion, and provides openings for soil amendments and seed to go to work without washing away. The best time to aerate is during the early part of the active growing season and right after a soaking rain. That way, the ground is softer and core extraction is easier. Next, apply organic soil amendments as soon as you're able after aeration. Immediately is best. Great soil amendments include compost and well-aged manure. You can distribute product over your lawn shovel by shovel, or for larger lawns, consider using a manure spreader. You can even purchase compost that can be blown onto your lawn by specialized trucks. But however you spread it, do not skip this step. It's a very important part of the success formula. While organic amendments contain the important nutrients your plants need, I always supplement what I'm adding with a non-burning source of organically derived fertilizer as part of this step. Milorganite is my fertilizer option of choice. The final step in this phase of the process is to spread the grass seed. And how much do you spread? Well, look on the back of the bag for the instructions. First, identify your spreader and then look for the column that says overseeding. Find that number, and that's how you set your spreader for the perfect distribution amount. Once all the seed is down, you need to keep everything watered at least until the seed germinates. But following these steps will promote better soil nutrition, deeper root growth, and better drought tolerance. And that will give you a great looking organic lawn on far fewer chemicals and a lot less water.